Now what happened? Why the army of cloud is not clear from the sun? Why there are so much clouds around the sun? If you claim and believe that this is happening naturally, the clouds come by themselves, the clouds disappear by themselves. I gave so much time. So why the clouds do not disappear until now, and why this is so different weather than before? Even much cooler like that. Why no much hotness is there? Huh? Do you have an answer? If the clouds appear and disappear by themselves, they should disappear by now a lot. But instead, the weather is not like before. Why it is a difference in the weather now? Let me look from this place. Why the black clouds are coming by the way? Are they controlled or they are working by themselves? No, they are not working by themselves. Your father does not control the sun. You are fabricated Jesus, you are fabricated Yahweh, you are fabricated Ram, Krishna, Vishnu, Hanuman. They do not control weather. It is controlled by Allah. This sun, these clouds, everything is controlled by Allah, not your fabricated fake gods. And you are not your fabricated science that says your science students who say the clouds disappear by themselves and the clouds appear by themselves. No, that's a bullshit nonsense claims of your fake scientist. The cloud appear when Allah commands them to come. The black clouds come when Allah commands them to come. And the sun works according to the will of Allah, not according to the will of your fake scientist. You see this? You better see this for now. This is not coincidence. This is not natural. Nothing is working naturally. What I say, let me repeat. Nothing is working naturally. For a long time, the weather was cool, cool, cool. By the way, as soon as I came here, the sun started to increase its heat. Right now, during this lecture, if I show you an evidence of this, look right there, light there, right there, okay? Look the light of the sun, which is coming to the ground. Look this, and now look this. So this was cool. For a long time cool. I recorded a lecture in Urdu. Yes, this was cool. And now, as I'm talking to you regarding the sun and weather, clouds, black, white, they are increasing, changing the direction. Why in front of my camera? How the sun is coordinating with me? This is not the power of the sun. This sun is working by the command of Allah. And it is controlled by Allah. Every single piece is controlled by Allah. Every single piece. These birds are controlled by Allah. And now see how the weather is hot now again. Why this was not before? See the difference? Now do you see how the clouds disappeared? Do you see the heat here? Do you see the difference there? Yes, this is exactly what I am talking and teaching you. That the sun and the clouds are controlled in someone else, and he is Allah.